Hello guys, I wanted to present you the product called Magic of Making Up that sort of helped me to basically get my boyfriend back and basically just start, living the life in the way I want. Right now my relationship is really good because of the tips of this ebook. Right now I'm basically having fun with my boyfriend. He writes me every single day saying that he loves me, which is very nice, and I love him for that. It's very important to have a beautiful relationship, and Magic of Making Up really helps you to achieve that, to basically understand each other, to overcome your problems, and basically listen to each other. And this ebook actually gives you the tips to do all of that, because sometimes you cannot really understand another person. That's why I really recommend you this ebook. You can find more information in the description. There is a link, everything. You will get more information. Basically, I recommend you this ebook because it may change your life.